What is she doing? Move.
Ben, are you going to walk for us? Are you going to walk for us? You're going to try and hurt yourself? Oh. Oh dear. Sneezy snoozer. Should we look at the mess you've made so far this afternoon?
Where are we gonna go?
I don't think we're going anywhere today, Ella. Ben, can you say Dada? Hold on. Hold on. Oh! Oh! Okay, we're going to give Ben a kiss. Make some more mess.